Hello lovely people, welcome back. Thank you very much for watching once again. So today I decided to film a face routine kind of video or foundation routine, current foundation routine, and to say it in a more simple way, I think just all my favorite products that I like to apply on my face right now in just one video. Let's get started with my face routine, foundation routine. So the first product that I will show you, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I love this product. This is the Olay Regenerous Whip Cream. It's from their new Olay range here in the UK. They launched this at the end of August. I've been using this cream for almost 2 months right now, religiously, every morning. And as I said, I showed it already to you in many videos because I love it. And I partnered with Olay for this video to show you how I use the cream, to give you my review, and I'm really proud to be an Olay ambassador here in the UK. In the Olay Whip range you'll find 3 different creams, but I will feature today the Regenerous one because this is what I've been using. And this was formulated to create a more firmer kind of looking skin, to reduce those deep wrinkles without any kind of heaviness. And this is the most amazing thing about this cream because it's lightweight, absorbs instantly, and also leaves a matte, natural matte finish, which I love. And I use this all the time before my face routine because it works so well also as a primer. So you get all the benefits from the cream itself, but because of its texture and basically how it feels on the skin, it's an amazing primer as well. And as you can see, this already is absorbed into the skin and it makes it so smooth, so just like the perfect canvas to apply, you know, your foundation, your concealer after. I feel like I appreciate this product even more right now because I just don't have enough time to apply all my skincare products, to do all my face routine, and then to apply the makeup. So having 2 products in one is always a bonus for me. And also, if you don't like applying foundation concealer, this will still look amazing and you will make your skin look radiant with a matte finish, and also really smooth because it smooths all these fine lines and also the deeper lines as well, and creates the super soft looking skin. I think this is the best way to describe it. And here is the texture itself, so you can see it looks just like a whipped cream. When I say that it absorbs really fast and it transforms into a liquidy consistency once you blend it in your skin, this is basically what I'll show you right now. So, like, hello. Where's the cream? I guess I just appreciate having a good moisturizer and primer all in one product because hashtag time saver, and everybody nowadays has a super busy life. Maybe you need to go to school, to university, to work in the morning, or maybe you have kids. Again, you don't have a lot of time to apply all your skincare products, to apply your makeup after, to do everything. You don't have those 1-2 hours to do your face routine, and this is the guy makes things so much easier for me, especially in morning. Now you can find the entire Olay Whips range in Superdrug here in the UK, and I will link in the description box the link to all the products. I do have 3 products, as I mentioned, in the Whip range, and actually the Whip range was co-created with 15,000 women all over the world. So they wanted to create that perfect formula, and they worked on this for a couple of years, and I'm really happy with this. I love the texture, I love the product so much, and I can see all the hard work. So now that my skin is hydrated, is really smooth, I can move on to the rest of the products. Now for the makeup, I will be using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla, and I will just apply a generous amount underneath my eyes because these don't look very good right now because I'm sick. And also in here a little bit on the big blemish, and I will blend everything with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. For the foundation, I will mix 2 of my Nars Radiant Longwear foundation. So I have the shade Deville with Punjab. Punjab is darker. This is my tan shade, but since I'm not super tan right now, I was in Marrakesh, I will just mix half and half of these two to create the perfect color that I need right now. And I will just apply this in here and try to tap it with my finger. This is how I like to work with this foundation, because I will not use as much foundation. This is quite a high coverage foundation for me, so yeah, I like to apply this with my finger first and then to blend it with the beauty sponge, and kinda at the end the beauty sponge will absorb the excess. And I'm going a bit on top of my concealer as well. So it's still kind of bright in here, but because I applied the foundation over, it still looks like one. It's not like super bright. Moving on to the powder, I will use my Onomie powder. This is a powder and skincare in one. It has AHAs in it, which I think is so cool. I never heard of this before, like a face powder to have AHAs. But this is, in one word, mattifying, and it will make your foundation concealer to last a very long time, but at the same time it can be quite drying, so you need to apply just a little. So with this I will use my big Hakuhodo brush. I will take a little bit of powder and tap it in here, madam, just to mattify that under eye. To contour I will use, of course, my Physicians Formula Tum 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 from the, this is so dirty, I'm sorry, this is the Bronze Booster Contour Palette, with my Zoeva 109 brush, which I absolutely love for contour, bronzer, anything along those lines. So you see the shape of this. Perfect. Easy, so easy. And just blend it up. And that's it. You have a contoured cheek. Now as a bronzer I will use my Girlactik Cabo bronzer. My favorite color for the bronzer ever, and formula as well, because it's a lovely matte, quite pigmented. And I will just apply this on top of my contour. As a blush I will use my Onomie blush. This is the Boosting Lip and Cheek Blush. This is in the color Aquitaine, and it's a lovely mauve kind of blush. It's super creamy. I will show you on my hand. So it's like really creamy and shiny. I like to use this on both cheeks and lips. And how I usually apply it, I just take a fluffy brush. This is a natural hair bristle, and I like to buff this on my hand a little bit so it picks up a little bit of color. You can see like this, and try to have an even amount of product, you know, on top of the brush, and then apply it on the cheeks really lightly. And on top of the cheeks, as a highlighter, my Capri highlighter from Nars, a lovely rose kind of highlighter, very light with a bit of warmth to it, and my Backstage Beauty concealer blender brush. This is a bit more of a subtly kind of highlight, although if you apply too much you will definitely see it more. My Nars Climax mascara, which again I love right now. Okay, so I also finished my eyebrows using the Nars eyebrow pencil. My eyebrows are really not in a good shape right now, so yeah. And the last thing, I will be using my Nakeup Face lip gloss. This is a clear lip gloss to finish the look. So that's it for today's look. This is my everyday face routine thing. Of course the eyebrows look differently all the time because yeah, they're a bit of a mess. So I really hope that you enjoy watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!